Okay, vehicle secure. Now demonstrate the in-cab inspection. First ignition on. My all warning indicators are working. ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ start truck. Is engine temperature gauge is working, engine oil pressure gauge is working, def gauge is working, RPM gauge is working. Speedometer I show you on the road. Both air pressure gauge is working and pressure on operating normal range 80 to 135. Fuel gauge is working. Parking sign is on because both brake are applied. Steering left arm respond properly. Steering right side respond properly. After straight mounted secure, no extra replay. Left signal working, right signal working, flasher are working. Wiper working number speed 1, 2 इन्हें होल्ड करके रखना, 3 and 4. Washer is present, working and keeps clean the windshield. After check the heater defroster is make sure on the windshield. Check the speed number 1, 2, 3, 4. After heat on, my heater defroster is working and keeps clean the windshield. After check the all mode. Face mode is working, face and feet working, heat mode is working, feet and windshield mode is working. Both hot mirror, no crack, no damage, adjust according to me, provide the required view. Both rear mirror, no crack, no damage, provide me required view and adjust according to me. Windshield is mounted secure, no crack, no damage. Rear cab glass mounted secure, no crack, no damage. Both window glass properly up and down, no crack, no damage. Driver seat is mounted secure, no crack, no cut, no damage. Adjust according to drive, it will stay position need to drive. Seat belt, no cut, no damage. Buckle properly, lock properly, unbuckle properly. After check the ether belt. Both side ether belt, no cut, no damage and mounted secure with the vehicle body. I have 3 emergency equipment, first aid kit up to date. Fire cylinder is fully pressure, knob on green. Reflector is no crack, no damage. So mine is good.